Hello, friend. This is Pete Ekstrom, known to some at Paychex as Uncle Pete the Gold Caller. Last year, I began working with a few Paychex reps across the country to help them take the crazy out of their day with something called the Paychex Gold Call Script Builder Kit. With all the management requests, travel, sales activity, forecast reports, presentations, demonstrations, and whatever else you're being asked to do, it's hard to find the time for prospecting so you can get the sales meetings you need every week to make your number and get to President's Club. So much to do, so little time. I'm here to help, if you'll let me. If you haven't heard of the Paychex Gold Call Script Builder Kit, it's an online sales tool that takes the sting out of cold calling. The Paychex Gold Call Script Builder Kit helps you make sense of yourself with prospects on the phone or in person without feeling nervous, so that you're in total control of the sales call and can get a new sales meeting with a prospect scheduled to your calendar in under 4 minutes. Sound good? Under pressure, nothing works. And if you're feeling pressure speaking with prospects because of all the things you have on your plate every day, here's how you spell relief. The Paychex Gold Call. You can learn more about Gold Calls for Paychex by visiting thegoldcall.com/Paychex. That's thegoldcall.com/Paychex. Have a listen to my collection of recorded gold calls to real sales prospects, and you'll get an idea as to how the Gold Call succeeds at getting sales meetings with prospects put to the calendar. What's next is entirely up to you. If you want help with prospecting, I'm here to help. Ask your sales manager if you can expense the cost of the Paychex Gold Call Script Builder Kit, and our adventure begins. All right, there you have it. Thanks for listening. This is Pete Ekstrom, Uncle Pete the Gold Caller, saying so long for now, and happy hunting.